compared sa Claire Castro a few years ago?
I feel like po, way before, mas mahina po ako. Wala akong backbone. So, if somebody calls me ugly, I would believe it. If somebody says I'm bad at acting, I will believe it. If somebody says na parang, anything bad about me, I will believe it. Now I don't. Even if you say something bad about me, kahit totoo, kahit mali, I believe in myself, kahit ang dami kong flaws, pero I'm still confident about myself regardless of the flaws. So now I'm much more stronger, much more wiser, much more older. So yeah.
Okay. When it comes to acting-wise, sa tingin mo paano na hinubog yung maturity mo at na-apply mo yun dito sa bago mong project sa VMX?
Ano po kasi, as you grow older, wow. Okay, as I got older, siguro mas madami akong bagahe. So, syempre po before na-typecast ako sa drama, when I was younger, wala naman ako masyadong bagahe noon. As I aged a little bit, syempre may mga pinagdadaanan ako. So, nagagamit po yun sa eksena. So, mas natural po yung mga eksena umiiyak, ganon. Which is meron po sa Cream Pie na nag-breakdown ako, which I'm very excited to see. So, yun. Galing sa puso po talaga yun. Galing sa experience ko in real life.
Wow, something to look forward to. Congratulations,
Thank you.
Angel!
Thank you.
Thank you for your questions. That was